Schumacher through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
On to win the feature, but he still got a heat race and a feature left to go. Let's see how they do. Let's see if they race as good as they did last night. I'm expecting good things out of these cars. Here we go. 5-lap heat race coming right up. Green flag is in the air. We're racing here in Inex Legend heat race number 1. Pritchard with a good start. Rick Williams looking to the outside. Is going to have a run down the back straightaway, but not going to be able to get there. He'll almost pull to the side, unable to pull to the side, but look at the triple two. That's the 30. That's Chris Mills in the triple two. Right now, your top 3, Bill Pritchard, Rick Williams, and Chris Mills. Mills looking to the inside, unable to get there. A battle for the 4th spot between the 30 and the 4L. That's Dirk Snuffer and Chad Lilly. Look at Rick Williams. There in that 2nd spot, trying to get up there to Bill Pritchard Jr. The complete lap number 3. Coming around to the white flag next time by, I believe. No, we're coming to, yep. Coming to 2 to go this time. 2 to go for Bill Pritchard Jr. Top 3 have set sailed on the field. As Bill Pritchard Jr. tried the extreme high side right there. Goes down to the bottom in 3 and 4. White flag in the air. One more lap here in Inex heat race number 1. Does Rick Williams have anything for him? Doesn't look like it. Here he comes, Bill Pritchard coming around to take the checker flag. Checker flag in the air. Bill Pritchard will win Inex heat race number 1. Rick Williams 2nd. Chris Mills 3rd. Dirk Snuffer 4th. Chad Lilly 5th. John Rogers 6th. And Jamie Mahone will round out your field. Here he comes, your heat race number 1 winner, Bill Pritchard Jr. Here we go. Inex Legend heat race number 2 coming to the green flag. Once they get to that cone, there we go. We're racing. Side by side on the front row. Travis Mill, Brandon Haga. Mills will have the inside run. Battle there for 2nd. As I believe that's the 429 of Willard. As the 30T of Travis Mill is kind of set sail from the rest of the field. The 4 car of Haga still 2nd. The 429 of Willard 3rd. Number 2 right there. We got 3 to go. Two laps to go this time by. Battle there for 2nd between the 4 car and the 429. Side by side there for the 2nd spot. They roll down the back straightaway, coming around to the white flag this time for Mills. The white flag is in the air. Battle is still on for 2nd. Good race as the 429 of Willard will have the run down the front straightaway. He'll take that 2nd spot over. Entering turns number 3 and 4. Here he comes, the 30T of Travis Mills will win Inex heat race number 1. The 429 of Willard will finish 2nd. Haga will finish 3rd. Parker 4th. Hughes 5th. And here comes Inside of row number 2 will be the C10 of Connor New. Outside of him will be the 83 of Harley Raines. 51 of George Pierce and the 25 of Wormy Lily. Row 3, the 9 of Subtle and the 3 of Meadows. On the last row, here we go. 5 laps. Here we go. Green flag is in the air. Sport Mod Heat number 1. Rolling off into turn number 1. Good start for the 22 car of Harley Martin. A look at the 57 car of Aaron Carter. He's trying to go for the lead. Won't be able to do that. Coming out of Ford, they complete lap number 1. Trouble for the 3 of Meadows. He had a little excursion in turn number 4. Will stay green. Connor New in that C10 car in that 3rd spot, looking to take that 2nd spot over. He'll go low. That's trouble for the 57 to get sideways to turn 1. Give the 2nd spot to Connor New. Coming around a complete this lap to make it official. There's your new 2nd place car, Connor New, with complete lap number 3, 2 to go. Looking for the white flag next time by for the 22 of Harley Martin. White flag is in the air. 1 lap to go is trouble for a car there in the back. I believe that's the 9 of Subtle. Big problems on the 9 of Subtle. We'll see. Hand out the windows. We'll see if we can finish this one. Caution flag is going to come out as the 9 car was right in front of your field. We'll get a 1 lap shootout. All right, they checkered flag that one. Harley Martin will win heat race number 1. Go green, here we go. Nick Parsons, Kevin Pangazio coming green right here. Green flag is there. Good start for the core car of Nick Parsons. Pangazio drive to the inside of 4. Race director did not like that start. They were not side by side at the cone there out of 4. We will try it again. Here we go. Sport Mod Heat number 2. Green flag is in the air. We're racing. Good start for the 42 of Pangazio. Is going to roll off into turn number 1. The 4 cars. Parsons going to roll up. Give the number 1 spot to the 42. Trying to race that bottom. Look at that 4 car up. Parsons going to take the lead back. He'll lead lap number 1. Slide job out of the 42 of Pangazio. These sport mods are racing 3 wide for the lead. 42 has to let out of the gas, but Hunter New is up there. He's trying to take the lead. He'll slide in front of Parsons is able to get back by the 10 car, but the 10 car is going to try to slide up in front of him that time. Boy, we are racing here in Sport Mod Heat number 2. Another slide job out of Parsons. The 10 car will drive back under him. Slide job city here at Beckley Motor Speedway tonight as Parsons will take the lead. We got a car spun out in turn number 2. Caution flag will fly. Wow, I did not expect Slide Job City to all of a sudden come out here at the Beckley Motor Speedway, but it has made its appearance. Good racing from those top 3 cars, especially the 10 car of New and the 4 car of Parsons and the 42 of Pangazio. Here we go. Will we get more of the same, or will Hunter New drive off? Here we go. He'll start us down there at that cone bottom of turn number 4. Green flag is in the air. 42 car Pangazio got to start. They'll drive hard at the bottom of turn number 1. Hunter New will have the run down the back straight away. But look at the battle for second. Look at the 4 car. He'll try to go way up top right there. That'll allow the 42 to sneak to the inside. Won't be able to make the pass. White 2 to go that time. Coming around to the white flag. Here we go for Hunter New. Excuse me, checkered flag. Checkered flag in the air for Hunter New. Nick Parsons second. Kevin Pangazio third. Noah Johnson fourth. Sean Godwin fifth. Wes Hendrickson sixth. And Bobby Motley Jr. will round out we'll roll on to our late model feature, our heat race, excuse me. Our final heat race of the night. It'll be our pro late model heat race. Cars, you need to be in staging. SCDRA non-qualifier cars, you need to be in staging. You are next. Here we go. McBride, Solango. They're going to duel it out for 6 laps right here. Green flag in there, side by side. Good start for the 18 car. Is he going to drive it off into turn number 1? One up high, one down low. They'll be side by side coming down the back straightaway. McBride, Solango. McBride will take the lead. He'll lead lap number 1. Solango back into the second spot. We're 3 laps in, 3 laps to go there for McBride. White flag in the air this time for McBride. One more lap in this heat race. Solango there in the second spot. Coming out of turn number 4, Tommy McBride will win heat race. And the 18 of Trent Solango will finish second. Attention, attention in the pits. Attention in the pits. If anybody in the pit grandstands has seen a pair of prescription glasses